What's happening? It's Jonathan Skeet here again with another update for my third week submission, the 72-hour submission. And I promised some AI features, so I'm going to show a palm tree object detector. I'm starting out here showing the roboflow interface. This is basically an online platform, and I'm going to take advantage of their API to use a model that I've already pre-trained. So we've integrated that into our desktop video editor. As we can see, we can just input our API key and the endpoint that's serving our model here into the configuration, and we can see that we need to make sure our clip is under the 15-second maximum. So I've gone ahead and clipped this one up, trimmed it up ahead of time, and got it ready. And as we can see, we are able to, from a previous run, get a grid back that shows each timestamp that has a palm tree, and we get a tight zoom view of the palm tree. And so now we can actually see the object detection running in a stream fashion, highlighting bounding boxes on the video as it goes. And so we can see it only highlights the palm trees it's fairly confident about. So that's definitely an improvement we want to make, is to make it more confident with more of the palm trees. As we can see, this background makes it a bit tough to see, to distinguish the edges of some of them, which is part of the reason why we get that sort of output in this case. But yeah, we'll go ahead and try some other angles, make sure we get some different palm trees so we can keep our bias low. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get that loaded up. One thing that's nice to do is, while you're checking the grid, make sure that it's actually identifying the object you're looking for. Sometimes it does, as you can see, there are pictures of other things that aren't palm trees but look similar. And so those are opportunities to fine tune and improve the model. In this case, we won't be examining that, but in this case, we're just looking at the output here, and we can see it's still like that tree to the left is not a palm tree. There's lots of obvious palm trees it's not identifying. I believe it probably has to do with the angle, because I don't have a lot of training examples where the sun is directly behind the palm tree. But as we can see, it is at least not just identifying totally random things. It's at least mostly finding trees. But it's doing really good here, getting a lot of these palm trees, not getting the building. This one's doing great with the overlap. And as you can see, when there's no palm trees, it's doing a good job of not just claiming there are no palm trees. And so fairly happy with that. Those are my AI features for the 72-hour submission for Gauntlet AI. See you in Austin.